Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. The pandemic COVID-19 is putting heavy amount of pressure on the entire UT of J&K and the world too. The deadly virus, considered to be born from Wuhan city of China, has snatched peace from the minds of the people. Life is at stake everywhere. Chaos, disorder is seen. It is peaceless life, no doubt, as a biological being, as biological organisms, we have to carry on, we have to sustain ahead. But in these days of pandemic, we need to do routine business of life by keeping some restrictions or precautionary measures in mind. Dear students, life is gift of God. We need to save it first and then should give preference to the things that are related to life. Yesterday, a scholar, a nice soul, a lecturer by profession, was posted at Boys Higher Secondary School, Wilgam. Mr. Peer Zada Muhammad Iqbal of Hare Kralpura died all of sudden. His death shocked everybody, but God done His will. Everything is controlled by God. May his soul fetch eternal peace and prosperity. Dear students of class 12th, subject political science, today we are dealing with one more important topic in your political science, that is the Earth Summit. Dear students, the Earth Summit was held in De Janeiro, Rio, in Brazil in 1992. This conference is also called the Rio Conference or the Earth Summit of 1992. It was first international conference after end of the Cold War, which culminated in 1991. It was held from June 3 to June 14, 1992. Every conference has its objectives. No doubt this summit or a conference or a Roy conference has its objectives. It was attended or participated. The participation was more than 100 states. Its foremost objective was to protect the environment and go for the eco- social economic development at the global level. The summit also reached to some objectives or achievements. It has its objectives first and then it reached to some objectives too. It the declaration was signed. Its first achievement was that the declaration was signed on the climate change and the biological diversity. It endorsed the forest, the global forest principles. It adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century. But question may strike to your mind, what is Agenda 21? The Agenda 21 aims for the sustainable development in the 21st century. The sustainable development simply means to protect the global environment, to eradicate all global issues, whether these issues are the poverty issues or the pandemics or the diseases. In Agenda 21, it was emphasized or stressed that every local government should go for the Agenda 21 at the individual level. So every local government should go for the Agenda 21 at the local level, so that the sustainable development would be there by the mutual efforts, by the mutual cooperation. So I'm repeating the things for you. The Roy Conference or the Earth Summit was held in 1992 from June 3 to June 14 in Brazil. It is called Earth Summit Roy Conference. It was the first international conference on the protection of environment and socio-economic development. It had its achievements also. The member states signed a declaration to on climate change and biological diversity. It endorsed the global forest principles. It adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century. But question may strike your mind, what is Agenda 21? Agenda 21 simply means to achieve sustainable development in 21st century by the mutual efforts, by mutual cooperation or by the shared responsibility. It was emphasized that every member state should locally go for the Agenda 21, so the individual efforts would give birth to the global efforts for combating environment problems and other problems that the world is facing at the present. This is all about the Roy Conference or Earth Summit about 19 Earth Summit that was held in 1992. Better is to see these things on your available reference books. If any sort of confusion strikes your mind after watching this video, you can call me and I will be round the clock available for you to guide you and to counsel you. Thanks. Be balanced.